I didn't know what was up, so I took the thing off my head so they didn't start yelling, "Hey, he's got a camera," like one time it happened. Okay, so because I missed that street, oh, that's all aluminum railing. Oh well, they didn't throw it out. Since I missed that street, I'm going through it in reverse. Oh, what's this? A saw. Everybody needs a saw. Hey, if you work, you're mine. Bonjour, monsieur. Présente. That should fit up here. It's a nice one too. Oh, that's gonna fall over. Put that like that. Turn it like this. There we go. Now I got me a miter saw. The way it was placed, with the wire all rolled up, there's a very good chance that it works. Not that I really need one. I have one that I use indoors, and I got my outside one, which is like the big blade on it. I use that for cutting my firewood, like pallets and things like that. Oh, what's all this up here? Looks like wooden furniture. Oh, that's a person. I didn't know what the heck that was. I saw her dress flopping around in the wind. Made me curious. Oh, I don't think there's anything for me in there. No, it's all furniture and carpets and shit. Oh well. Isn't that beautiful, Lake Champlain? It's getting a little cloudy, and it's like 5 to 6 already. And it looks like it's gonna rain soon. This is where I was that kids were shouting, and I got all kinds of metal out of there, like poles and stuff. Okay. There's a boat. I don't want to go too fast. I got some of those pipes that they're just tin, and I don't want them flying all out. It's pretty hard to strap stuff like that down.